How's it going, everybody? My name is Jeff. Today I'm going to show you how to convert Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. Microsoft Excel is really good for creating graphs and spreadsheets and showing your data, and it's really easy to import it right into Microsoft Word with the rest of your text. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you're going to start with a blank Word document, and you're going to have a Excel sheet database ready to go. I made a very simple one with my name and my age and two other fellows with their names and ages as well. And I've saved that as Excel page. Very creative title. So I'm going to go back to my Word document, and I'm going to go to Insert, File. And once I hit that, there's my Excel page. I'm going to insert that. And it's going to ask you if it's a trusted source, and yes, in this case it is. If it's not a trusted source, you might want to think twice, but OK, and then hit OK again to insert sheet 1, and boom, you've converted an Excel file into a Word file, and then you can drag that and get it as big or as small as you want. You can mess with the font to make sure it doesn't go off the page. And that's how you convert Microsoft Excel into Microsoft Word. I'm Jeff. Thank you very much, and good luck.